Hey everybody, Mike here. So this is my 2007 Dodge Ram. This is a 2500 with the 5.9 Cummins in it. The first 4 years I had this truck, I had just had a 3-inch level on it and I was just driving it around town. It was kind of a grocery getter, take it to the hardware store, that kind of thing. Then in 2013, I put a plow on this thing and I quickly realized that I needed to do something to kind of help me with the front end of the suspension because that plow that's pushing over 1,000 pounds was really driving the height of the truck. And I'm running a softer coil on the front of this truck. Every time I went over a bump or a railroad track and I had that plow on here, I could hear my axle bottoming out on the frame. That led me to these Timbrens I put on the front of this thing. If you've ever been underneath your truck, you've seen those tiny little bump stops that they come with. Now on this particular model truck with these axles, these Timbrens are designed to just pop right out. You can use a pry bar to pry them out. There's no bolts, anything inquire. It's a friction fit in the cup. And then the new Timbren just slides right back in the same hole. Now they make these pieces for the truck for the front and rear suspension, so keep that in mind because if you're running something heavy out back, if you're putting a lot of weight in the bed of your truck from time to time, consider getting them for the rear as well. For me, I'm just running them on the front. That's all I felt like I've ever needed. And they made a night and day difference when I'm running that plow. Now when I got the plow on here, those things are pretty much riding on the axle at all times. They suck up and absorb pretty much every bump that I hit when I'm going up and down the road with that plow on the front. I've had these on the truck since 2014. It's been right at 10 years now. They have been such a huge upgrade to the truck, especially during the wintertime months when I'm running that plow. If you're running into the same problem, or if you got a really heavy aftermarket bumper on the front of your truck, you might consider putting these on the front and see what you think. But for me, like I said, it was a night and day difference, and I'm extremely glad that I put them on there. That's all I've got for you today on this one, guys. Appreciate you watching. We'll catch you guys on the next one.